I'm gorgeous, and today we are going to recreate Victoria's Secret's fashion show makeup. I started with jumbo pencil from NYX and applied all over my lid using my finger. You can also use brush for this one, but I think finger is enough. I use Morphe palette for this makeup and apply the first color all over your lid, covering jumbo pencil. To make my look more bright, I use second Morphe palette and using this like pinkish and applied a little bit over my first eyeshadow. And also apply it in your crease, just a little bit, and blend it really well. I use Makeup Forever cream for eyeliner. I also apply black pencil from LA Girl. You don't need to cover your eyeliner, but you need just a little bit to blend it with it. Just a little bit. I also apply on top of my eyeliner a little bit of our first eyeshadow to blend it just a little bit more. You can also use just a clean brush or maybe even darker eyeshadow. It depends on what do you want to reach. And then I use our second eyeshadow just to blend and add color for my lower lashes, or it would be better to say about under eye makeup. So getting to skin, I prefer first to start with my cream and just be sure that your face is clean. You can clean it using micellar water, and then I use NYX and Catrice foundation, I just mix them a little bit on my hand and put on my face. This combination just makes my skin more like glowing, and maybe even it looks healthier, just maybe. For me it is. Then I use concealer under my eyes. I know that sometimes I talk too much and maybe yeah, you know. For my brows, I use NYX Control Freak gel because my brows are really freaky. They live their own life, so I just need to brush them well. And then I use Catrice eyebrow pencil. And I'm trying to make my brows look like natural, even with my permanent. Sleek is really love, and I like to put it on my eyes, under my brows, just everywhere where you want to glow. I like it so much. And this small trick just really makes your eyes look bigger. And yay, mascara! I also use Catrice, and I really like it. I like this type of brushes. Maybe you like others, just tell me, because this one is, I think, the best of the best, like from brushes. I know that somebody like this like booster lashes, but I am obsessed with silicone lash. Ah, gosh. With silicone mascara brush. Lash brush. Yep, why not? And yes, I know Victoria's Secret's models are obsessed with bronzers, and it makes your skin glow. Why not then? I like to highlight my cheekbones, so I use a bright color for it from NYX Contour Palette. And I use nice pinkish blush for my cheeks to make my look more like sweet and soft and also fresh. I end my look with Devil Full Lips from Catrice. Thank you so much for watching this video and being with me. I really hope you like it, and if you do, please just let me know. Subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more and more makeups from me, so here's my Instagram, you can follow me there, and see you soon.